And over here you can see all different tabs for different parameters. So here the text tab, we can make a synaptic description. For example, well, it doesn't matter. The ITCZ remains to the north, remains of the area. Just an example. Long-term forecast we don't do. Warnings, for example, for the moment none. And RC comments none. You can, this is just an example. Perhaps you could put a risk of a thunderstorm. Thunderstorm here. This is what this is for. Okay, so here we have the forecaster. Your name is not here yet, but we will add it as soon as possible. But yeah, you'll find it. Until that time you can put my name or whatever name, doesn't matter. Okay, so let's put my name for now. Lightning risk. This is just some example. This button is not relevant because we only use it in a route forecast. If you click it, you will have a little chart. And when you do a route forecast, you can see the route on this chart, but it's not relevant for you now. So let's click it away. Then we can put, here we can see the wind. Well, there's no data in yet. So let's just make some artificial, yeah. Put auto scale on and off. Let's make some artificial wind. It doesn't matter for now. Okay. We can put the auto scale back on. That's maybe easier. All right. I'm not sure. Okay. Wind direction. Well, let's have a look. GFS, Java C. I want to see the wind. Wind direction is, well, let's say about 200 degrees. What about tomorrow? Same. Okay, well, again, just an example. Yeah, so there's a little land effect. A little bit backing winds during daytime. All right. Okay, so let's make it southerly wind. Doesn't matter. Again. This. Okay, so now we have put some data in. So that's the way to put data in this report. Here you can do it for all these parameters. For example, wave height, wind and swell. Together make up the significant wave height. You have the C direction. You have swell wave height, swell wave direction, peak period and mean wave period. All these parameters we can discuss anytime you want. So any questions, let me know immediately. And here all parameters, just look through this for yourself. Then I will cheat a little bit because, oh wait, now I have changed something here. Yeah, I've put some text and I put some data in. So now I can save it. I can see it because there's a little star over here. That means that I have changed something and I need to save. So I can click save. And if I do, you can see that this will turn blue, which means status saved. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, so now it's blue and status is saved. So what I can now do is right click and make a preview of the report, because all this data that you will put in here will all go into a PDF report that we produce. So I make a preview and I have to wait for a little while it's making the preview. Here's the job ID, by the way. You can see it. And this is the the cycle. So it's today 21Z, 21Z, 21 UTC, 2130 it is, but it rounds off. Okay, so here's the report that we produced, you can see. So now I can preview my report, so I can look at the report before it has been sent. So here I see indeed my name, location, over here, time. Here is risk of a thunderstorm. If I go back here, that's indeed what I put in here, so that comes in here. Chance of low visibility, none. Chance of medium, that's indeed what I put here. Medium. Okay, and here is the wind that I put in. And here you have, this is in knots. Here. Here's 10 meters per second, by the way. Bugger off. And here you can see the wind direction. And here it's, this number here is the wind in Beaufort. Well, here are the waves. I did not fill it in, you can see here, for the waves. I did not fill significant wave height. And so it's empty. Okay, so the first page is two graphs, and the second page is the same data but then in the table. So now, for example, what I can do just to show you how a normal report looks is I can do a trick, which is copy from, and I will copy this report into here just to show you how this works. So now, if I close this one, if I open it, you can see this one has been copied to your location. So this is what our guy in Jakarta, Paulus, has made today in the forecast report. So you can see the wind, you can see a daily cycle of wind. Okay, so this is what he has made. Temperature. Okay, so now I can show you how this report looks. If I make a preview, this one I can put away, and let's wait. So now you can see the report is filled. All right. Okay, I'll click it away. And oh, wait. I will put my name, empty this, empty this. Okay. So what I did not tell you is this here. We have weather symbols. So if I click, I don't think, yeah, it is in your report. So I can click here and make sunny, or I can make shower, or I can make partly clouded. I can do whatever I want for all the time for all time steps in the report. Save. And if I now preview, you can see it has changed to my name. And here you can see sunny, rain shower, partly clouded, exactly as you can see here. So bottom line is, here you fill in all the data, and here you fill in the weather symbols, here you put text, and then you make a preview, you look how the report looks like, And now you don't have to send the report out to the customer. That happens automatically at this time. And I can show you, this is something you cannot do, because for this you need this password, but I can show you the distribution list over here. You will get this report into your inbox every day. So you can just see what you produced. Yeah. So just play with it a little bit. And if you have any questions, let me know. Just yeah, try to make a forecast for the South China Sea with our editor. And if you have produced anything, you can also, if you have it in your email, send it to me, and then we can discuss it. Okay, so much for the editor.